So, mao ni ang topic sa group 1, then mao ni pod ang member sa group 1. So, signatures. A name or a mark that a person puts at the end of a document to attest that he is its author or that he narrates its content. So, mao ni siya, signatures. Mark sa name or mark sa isa ka tao na kuan kanang ibutang sa documents to attest that he is author siya. Types of signatures. First, cursive signatures. That is the most traditional type of signatures. Written in cursive script, it's often personalized and can be difficult to forge. So, ang cursive signatures is pinaka-traditional type sa signatures. Kanang pinakatay bitaw siya nga signatures, then personalized kanang, then difficult to siya i-forge kay pinakatay na siya. Then printed signatures. These signatures is simply your name printed in black letters. It's less personal than a cursive signatures, but it's faster and easier to reproduce. So kanang perma lang bitaw nga kanang isulat lang imong name, tas wala siya mga art or kanang dili siya connecting stroke bitaw. Normal lang siya, black letters. Then digital signatures. These signatures is a digital representation of your handwriting signatures. It's often used for electronic documents and can be used to verify your identity. Digital signatures, digital representation of your handwriting signatures. Stylus signatures. These signatures is created using a stylus and a touch screen. It's becoming increasingly popular as more people use tablets and smartphones. Kini stylus signatures is burag bitaw kanang nalang sa burag sa tablet lang bitaw ka magkuan siya o kanang mag-create ka o signatures using the kanang stylus and touch screen kanang burag sa screen lang bitaw ka sa tablet or phone mag-create or magperma dili imbis na sa papel sa screen na siya. Initial signatures. These signatures consist of only your initials. It's a quick and simple option, but it's not as secure as a full signature. So kini initial signatures kanang burag isa lang bitaw ka letter or kanang dili gid siya full signatures bitaw nimo dali lang ka siya i-forge basta kanang initial signatures. Classes of forgery of signatures. Simply forgery is signing of a document in his own or in a modified handwriting, easy to detect once standards of genuine signatures are obtained. Simulated forgery, freehand forgery, the copying or imitation of a signatures. Tracing signatures forgery, when the signatures is forged by placing the original signatures under a thin black sheet and tracing it to create a duplicate, making it appear authentic. Method of signatures tracing. Carbon outline method. Carbon paper inserted between original and false document. Kanang through carbon bitaw nga method to tracing a signatures is kanang kintahay. Ang false document nimo is nasa babaw tapos ang original nimo nasa babaw tapos ang false document nasa ilalim din to nga ang carbon paper. Di ba pag magperma ka kay murag makuan dito siya sa false document murag ma-forge siya through carbon. Then ang identification process. Original document is placed over false one under it to be traced letter using a pen or pencil. Kining identification process is kanang more bitaw siya dili original document is placed over false one under it. So kanang sapaw nimo siya tapos magamit lang ka og pen to trace it bitaw kanang murag look na. Transmitted light process. A light source is placed under a light. The original document is placed under the false one. The light source will illuminate both documents so that writing the original document will be seen and traceable on the false one. So, kining through transmitted light process method sa pag-trace sa signatures is through light siya. Pag imo siyang isapaw, tapos imo lang siyang gamitan og light, di ba burag mo kan siya i-trace din mo siya. Then transparent tracing, window tracing or natural light tracing. The forger types the genuine signatures and target paper to a light source like window using natural light to illuminate the signatures for tracing. So kini kanang magamit ko kay sa bintana nimo siya. Yan na. Burag na tungod sa kung ano ya, bisag isapon nimo siya ay look na dali lang kay nimo siya makita kay hayag kaya labi na kanang sa glass bitaw na window na photocopy tracing. The genuine signatures is photocopied onto the target document and then the forger traces over the photocopied lines with a pen to make the signatures appear authentic. Indicators of forgery: blonde starts and stop. The forger places the pen point in contact with the paper and starts writing. When he is finished with the name or some portion thereof, he stops the pen and lifts it from the surface. This may cause an emphasized blonde start or ending where the pen was placed in contact with the surface. At times, this contact is held so long that if the pen contains a fluid ink, it will wet the paper and migrate outward from the contact point or even through the back of the paper. Pen lefts and hesitations. This is so occasion when the pen stops at an unusual point in the writing, perhaps where a radical change in direction is about to take place or a new letter formation is about to be started. This may take on the appearance of a small gap in the written line where one is not expected, or an overlapping of two ink lines where there should be only one continuous line. 3 more. Because the creation of most form of non-genuine signatures are little more than drawing. The pen is moving so slowly that small. Sometimes microscopic changes in direction take place in what should be a fluid-looking line. The resultant line is not smooth but reflects the shaking pen. Speed and pressure. Again, because the pen is moving slowly rather than with the dynamic movement associated with most genuine writing, the ink line remains constant in thickness resulting from the same constant pressure exerted on a slow-moving pen. There will be little, if any, tempering of internal lines. So, the last one, patching. Frequently, but at one time or another, most of us have made an error while writing our own signatures. Some individuals may leave the signatures alone, caring little about the mistake or imperfection, while others will simply fix the signatures by correcting the offending portion. This may be done in order to make the signatures more readable, or because a defect in the pen or paper has affected what we perceive to be our normal signatures, or some other reason that may even be subconscious. These fixes are usually patent, with no attempt made on the part of the writer to mask or otherwise hide the correction. So, nag-end ang group mo